everyone and welcome. Today we have this BMW. This is the M340i variant, which is the CBU, the sporty one. So this car is coming for our PPF treatment, but it's an older car, so we will have to repaint a few panels before we apply the PPF. So now I'm going to explain to you what it is that we're going to do to rectify all the small damages and then go for the application of the PPF. We have some scratches here on the bonnet. There are a lot of stone chips on this part as well, over here, the glossy part of the grille, plus some damage on these parts and a lot of saltwater deposits. So we're going to be painting all of this satin black, plus these grills on the left part of the bumper, the center and the right. There is some more damage on the left side of the door, so this also is going to be rectified. We're going to be painting this full door. Some very deep scratches. So the entire bumper also we will have to respray because there are a lot of other chips as well on the other part of the bumper. Welcome back everyone. So we have completed the PPF application, which is the pre-cut application we have done on the 340i. Plus we have protected all the glasses with the CarPro Nano ceramic Sunfilm with 70% clarity. We have painted a lot of the parts in the car. The whole front bumper has been resprayed. Along with that, a lot of stone chip damages on these plastic parts of the grills. So all the grills have been painted. 2 fenders, the bonnet, 1 rear door and the back bumper. So the M340i has a long list of mods which has been done by the owner. Very tasty choice, I must say. Right from the engine to the exhaust. Damn! It's totally changed the character of the car. So it not only looks good, but it also goes like hell. So the M340i shares the same engine with the Toyota Supra as well and the BMW Z4. This particular example has been tuned to produce over 600 bhp. It also has an upgraded turbo, a much bigger turbo to produce even more power, as well as a lot of upgrades to the cooling system and the fuel lines. Carrying forward the heritage of the M line from BMW, the seats are very comfortable. It hugs you in all the right places, and a mix of Alcantara and leather feels great. Driving pleasure being at the core of BMW's brand strength, this car is a perfect example. You sit nice and low and you get a feeling of sitting in a cockpit. All the controls are easy to reach and the visibility is amazing. It has a sufficient amount of ground clearance to handle typical Indian road conditions, and also a very comfortable suspension, which is a very good blend of sportiness and gives you comfort at the same time. The M340i is a perfect car for the enthusiasts. It has enough space also to carry your family as well as your luggage if you want to go out on a cross-country trip. For enthusiasts looking for reasonable performance at a reasonable price, this car ticks all the boxes. It's priced well and it's tuner friendly. There are a lot of aftermarket parts which one can add to make your experience even sportier.
आपके सामने एक बड़ा सा रेड बटन है। हाँ, है। दबा दिया, आगे बोलो।